Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a city builder in Unity. We will begin by setting up your Unity project, ensuring you have all the necessary packages installed. This initial phase is crucial for laying a solid foundation for your game. We will then outline the fundamental steps for creating your game world, preparing for interactive elements and player engagement. Next, we will dive into the core mechanics of placement and grid systems. You will learn to implement a robust grid for precise object placement, ensuring buildings snap correctly. We will also develop intuitive mechanics for placing and rotating structures, providing clear visual feedback to the player. This system is vital for player interaction and strategic city planning. Moving forward, we will explore the dynamic aspects of your city, its economy, citizens, and artificial intelligence. You will design a balanced in-game economy, managing income and expenses effectively. We will implement citizen simulation, including their needs and efficient pathfinding through your city. Developing basic AI will bring your city to life, guiding citizen behavior and overall city management. Finally, we will focus on user interface, polish, and optimization. You will learn to create an intuitive user interface, making city management straightforward and enjoyable. Adding visual and audio polish will significantly enhance the player's engaging experience. We will also cover essential optimization techniques to ensure your city builder runs smoothly across various devices, providing a seamless gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.